Namaste children. Children, in last previous class, addition chapter will be finished. Okay. So that addition chapter you have learned addition, then solve the word problems, and then okay, so there are different concepts you have to learn. So here in the fourth standard addition, 5 digit number how to addition, 6 digits how to addition. So you have already know that. So now the another one is subtraction. What is meant by subtraction? First we understand subtraction means what, then what is the order of subtraction, then what you call the answer of subtraction. Okay, so then we have to go for the type. Subtraction means to take away one number from another. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So it means take away from the one number from another number. To take away one number from another number is called as subtraction. Okay, so this is called as to take away one number from another number is called subtraction. Okay, so how to subtract? The smaller number is always subtracted from the greater number. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Okay, so the smaller number is always subtracted from the greater. 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕಳಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಎಂದು ಕಳಿಯಲ್ಲ. So that is the meaning. Okay, the smaller number is always subtracted from the greater number. Okay, so that is the order. So we can take to order means first is bigger value, second one is smaller value. The result which we get, what is the answer? That is called which we get after subtraction. Subtraction alla aadmele ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is called as difference. That is called as difference. Keep in the mind. Difference means the answer of subtraction. Now the number to be subtracted, so they have, so I'm already told the smaller number is always subtracted from the greater number. So what you call the smaller number? The smaller number is called the number to be subtracted. Yav number subtract ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, that is called as subtrahend. Yav number subtract ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, that is subtrahend. That is smaller value. This is smaller. Keep in this mind. This is smaller. Now, so the number which we subtract, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೈನೋ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್. It is bigger. So keep this mind. So these are the points are very important. Write these points in CW. Okay, so once again I will repeat the number, repeat the concept. So the number, the smaller number is always subtracted from the greater number. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕಳಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ 20 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕಳಿತೀವಿ, 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕಳಿಯಲ್ಲ. Okay, so the result which we get after subtraction is called as difference. So it means the answer of subtraction is called difference. So okay, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? So in the addition, having the number to be addeds are called as addends. But here they're having two numbers. The order of the subtraction is very very important. Okay, so the number to be subtracted, ಯಾವ number subtract ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, is called as subtrahend. The number which we subtract the other number, the number which we subtract the other number is called minuend. So subtrahend is smaller value, minuend is bigger value. Okay, can we solve some problems? Okay students, can we solve some problems? Okay, now solve the problems. Okay, so examples are there. Look at the board. Okay, so you have already know the concept of subtraction. First we should write the order. Subtract 6479 from 9256. Okay, second one question, subtract 5847 from 8425. So compare the two numbers first. Compare the two numbers. Which one is minuend or bigger value? So here 9000, here 6000. Which one is bigger? 9000 is bigger. First we can take the first 9256. Next 6479. Okay, now so what is it? This one has to be called, it is minuend. It is called as minuend. So this one is called subtrahend. So your subtraction order always this way, this type. Okay. So minor is bigger value, subtrahend is smaller value. So now 6 is not less 9. Now take the carry. So what about this number 4? This number is 16. 16 less 9, 7. Okay. Now 4 is not less 7. Carry. It is 1. It is 14. 14 less 7, 7. Now 1 is not less 4. Take the carry. It is 8. It is 11. 11 less 4, 7. Now 8 less 2, 8 less 6, 2. That is the way to subtract. Now I will go for second one. Subtract 5847 from 8425. So this is another question. So first what we do? First take the bigger number. Which one is bigger number here? 8,000, here 5,000. Which one is bigger? 8,000. First we can take the minor end. 8,425, 5,847. Subtract. Okay. 5 is not less 7, carry. It is 1. It is 15. 15 less 7, 8. 1 is not less 4. Take the carry. 3. It is 11. 11 less 4, 7. 3 is not less 8. Carry. It is 7. 13. 13 less 8, 5. 7 less 5, 2. So what do you call this one? Difference. This is called as difference. Difference. So these are called as difference. So upper number is called as minor and it is called as subtrahend. Okay. You know the properties of subtraction. Subtract 0 to the any number. The answer is itself. The answer is itself. 0 can be subtracted from any number. The answer is itself. Now 1 can be subtracted to any number. The answer is we get the before number. Okay. That is called as predecessor. Okay. So text colors I will tell that is what are the properties of subtraction. Okay. So now you have to solve. So another one is question is there. What must be added? So wait that. So it is another one question. It is third main, page number 38. So I will go for fifth one. Okay. What must be, question is there. What must be added to 7,438 get 9,000, to get 9,000. The question 7,438. The question is there to get 9,000. So 7,438 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9,000 ಬರ್ತತಿ. So the question. So the first to take the minor. It is subtracted 9,000. So subtract 7,438. We get the answer. Okay. So now subtract it. So 0 is not less 8, carry. So it is 8. It is 10. It is 9. It is 10. It is 9. It is 10. 10 less 9. 10 less 8. 2. 9 less 3. 5. Sorry. 9 less 3. 6. Okay. 9 less 4. 5. 8 less 7. 1. So 1,562. We had 7,438. We get the 9,000. Okay. These are the examples of subtraction. So you have to solve page number 38. Page number 38. And then, so okay, 38 page number. And then page number 30, I think, okay, 41. Page number 33A. First main, second main, you have to solve. Minor is there, subtrahend is there. So you know the subtraction. You have to solve in the, you have to solve first main and second main. Okay. First main and second main. Okay. You have to solve exercise 3A, first main and second main. Keep on this mind. So page number 38. Okay. Page number 38 and page number 41. 41. Solve 41 page number, first and second main you have to solve in the HW. Sorry, textbook. Okay. And one time solve in HW also. Okay, students. So it is subtraction chapter. Must and should you have to learn. So today class is subtraction chapter. Okay, I hope you all of you understand. Okay, watch the video and improve your knowledge. Dhanyavad students. Thank you so much.